This project is Android-based patient health monitoring with Bluetooth. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16x2 LCD, Bluetooth SG05 connected to Arduino JAT port, LM35 temperature sensor and SPO2 connected to Arduino analog pins here. Now power on this. We have to pair Bluetooth initially. It is asking password. Password is 1234. Here we have a customized app. Now open the app. Connect to Bluetooth. In this project, we can monitor patient health parameters like temperature, heartbeat and SpO2 in Android app. Here we can see parameters values. Arduino sends sensors data to app for every 5 seconds. But in LCD, sensors values updates continuously.